Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your bank details into your invoice when you're using Xero. So when you have created your account on Xero and you've logged in, what you need to do is you have to click on business and then you have to go here to invoices. Now this is, a draft invoice that I have created just to explain you. And in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can add your bank details to this specific invoice. So we're going to open this invoice, and this is the invoice that I have created to my client. And this is the total price that I have charged my client for my services. So now, if I have to add the bank details here, what I am going to do, I am going to go and uh, click here on these three dots, and then I am going to click here on invoice settings. Once when I'm here on this window, I'm going to click on options and I am going to click on edit. Now I am going to go down, and here in terms and payment advice, I am going to enter my bank details. Now I have written bank details here just to show you, because obviously I cannot enter my original bank details, but this is the place where you have to add your bank detail, like your bank name and your account name and your account title, and all the informative stuff that you need to add for a transaction to happen, for your client to send you the payment on this specific account and the specific bank. You need to enter your bank details right here, and then you have to click save. And once when you click save, you're good to go. Your invoice will show your bank details and your bank information and your account information, and you're good to go. So I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.